mag-invest ng for house, para sa retirement, or para sa vacation, anything na reason na gusto nyong mag-invest ng house. So, this is one of my recommended place, ang Antipolo City. So, narito tayo ngayon sa Tropical Palm, located sa Maguey Road, Barangay San Luis, Antipolo City. So, eto guys yung model unit for the Tropical Palm. So, as you can see, modern design, complete turnover unit, and modern setup yung bahay. So, lot area na ito, 60 square meter, floor area, 87 square meter. So, eto guys yung service area. Pwede nyo ditong gawin na carport and white paint. So, still open siya kung open yung unit. Kung gusto nyo palitan yung color ng painting. And also, we have Pockel Garden sa area na to. So, we still encourage everyone na maging garden community yung Tropical Palm. So, we have Pockel Garden here. Alright? So, let's take a look guys inside. And, eto, maganda yung welcome setup ng bahay. Eto yung doorknob and tiles. Ito guys, model unit to. So, ganito yung encourage namin na setup. Pero kung gusto nyo pa din itong baguhin, still open for improvement. So, ito guys, yung living area. And also, ito, pink yung paint ng wall. Pero, pag ma-turn over ito sa inyo, white paint yung setup ng buong bahay. So, you can you can modify the colors sa design na gusto nyo i-build in. And also, ito yung sinasap namin for dining area, pero ito yung living area niya. Living area ng unit. Ito for the dirty kitchen or another service area. So, hindi ito masyadong spacious, pero still will great help kung gusto nyo ma-expand yung unit. Mataas yung setup for service area. So, wide yung pwedeng maging turnover neto, maging expansion for the dirty kitchen or service area, anything will do. And also guys, ito for the kitchen area, modern turnover ng sink. Ganito yung turnover ng sink. And also, ganito yung turnover ng cabinet, brown. Pero still, kung gusto nyong lagyan ng design, pwede. Meron din tayong windows dito. And dito sa sink. And also cabinets below the sink. Alright, so less expenses for any modification or any gusto nyong naging setup. And ito yung toilet and bath. Dito to located for the toilet and bath. And ito guys, modern design yung stairs. Bato, naka-tiles na to, nakabato na. So, safety and security, walang magiging problema. And also dito guys, 3 bedrooms. So, ito yung toilet and bath. So, we do have 2 toilet and bath here guys. Tapos dito, ito yung shower. So, improve yung shower. Hindi katulad ng ibang unit na ang turnover is telephone shower. So, ito, improve yung shower. Alright. So, another thing, ito yung master bedroom. We also have built-in cabinets. Ito yung built-in cabinets. Para sa built-in cabinets, guys, I want you to take a look na madami itong space. So, spacious yung pagkaka-built-in ng cabinet. Alright. So, maganda guys. And also guys, one of the unique amenities or one of the unique feature netong tropical palm is meron nitong modern design for the balcony. Alright, so ito yun guys. Tignan niyo yung sahig, modern design, and for the balcony, maganda to for the security din. And also, kitang-kita yung community from here sa balcony. So, very ideal. Very unique feature and maganda to para sa mga gusto ng relaxation and also for the other things na gusto nilang gawin para ma-relax yung mind nila. Let's take a look sa second bedroom. Ito yung second bedroom. We also have built-in cabinet pero smaller siya sa master bedroom. Smaller yung cabinet guys sa master bedroom. Ito yung setup ng cabinet. So, still spacious pa din. Apparently, mas maliit yung setup ng cabinet kaysa sa master bedroom. And ito yung space for the second bedroom. Alright, so dito naman po tayo sa third bedroom. Ito po yung third bedroom. Same thing, same setup. Ang difference nito sa second bedroom is meron tong windows. Okay. And white paint, and ito yung bedroom. So, hopefully you will like it guys. Please let us know if you want to know more details sa bahay na to. So, currently we are selling phase 3. You can reserve one of the unit for 20,000 pesos. So, please let us know guys. Comment below and we will give you the rest of the details.
Hand on the wheel, got my pistons